Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Taimur and you are watching my channel Taimur Khan. So today topic is BOQ, which means that bill of quantity. So BOQ is the short form or abbreviation of bill of quantity. So we know that many people and students came across with the problem or issue of how to form BOQ for their project work or site work. So in this video I will show you that how to make a BOQ sample. So in this Excel sheet, this Excel sheet start from serial number, description, unit, quantity, unit price, and total price. So in serial number we write 1 2 3 on which numbers, and description show in description we write about the material or product. Unit, actually in units are the in units we write about the units of the product in which the products or material are available in the market. And in quantity we use their quantity, unit price, total price, serial number 1. So the first material is steel. And the steel is always available in term of tons, and in market it is available in the form of tons. So the unit of steel is tons. Quantity 3. Unit price of 1 ton. Unit price of steel means that the price of 1 ton is 97,000. So what will be the total price of the total quantity? So we know that the unit price of 1 ton steel is 97,000. Then the total price of 3 tons steel will be, so here we will put formula equal, and then we will select quantity multiply by unit price, enter. So it will give the value of 2,91,000 only. So the second number we measure timber, and timber is always available in the form of kg. So 100 kg timber, and the unit price of 1 kg is 110. So here I put the formula of multiplication, which I will scroll it down, so it will give the value of this row, 100 multiplied by 110. So on third number I will write sand, and for sand the unit is CFT, cubic feet, and 7,000 cubic feet is the quantity, and the unit price of 1 cubic feet sand is 17.75. so here I have already put the formula, so therefore I will scroll down it for the row number 5. So this is the actual value of total price, which comes from the multiplication of quantity Q and unit price. Fourth number, cement. So cement is always available in the form of bags, so therefore its unit is number. And let's suppose that I ordered for my work or for my project work the number of bags 50. So the price of one bag is 495. So that's why I will scroll down it for cement as well, so it will give the value of 24,750. And on fifth number I will write aggregate, and aggregate is also calculated in the form of CFT. Let's say that I ordered the quantity for aggregate 15,000 and the U22.25 is the price of unit quantity for aggregate. So it will give 3,33,750 is the total price. And sixth number, I'll show it. Doors, so the doors are also calculated in number and quantity. So let's say I write 12 number of doors and the price of one door is 3,200. So here the price is 38,400. Now serial number 7, window. So this unit is also in number, and let's say that I order 12 number of windows and the price of each window is 4,000. Now I will show you that what will be the total price, total budget or total price of these all quantities. So let's say that the total budget required for these items will be, so here I will put formula is equal to and then write sum and you have to select those cells which you are going to add. So I will select cell F3, F4, F5, F6 up to F9 and then I will enter. So it means that here the price is 8,71,150. So this is the total price of these all items. So I am sure that I explained it in a very easy and simple way. In case of any query and problem, you people can approach me through my Gmail account, and you can also view your views, and you can also write about your views in the comment section. Thank you.